So there's the Marie and the Annika. And then the door... What do we keep? Oh yeah, we keep the gas glove here.
And a window breather. And a seatbelt cover.
Yeah. It's a sedan. You know, has a steering wheel, all the fancy stuff.
I'm gonna fight this one.
Alright, let's bring it to the back. We've got our suitcase with both of our clothes in it. And then right here is just a roadside kit. Vacuum, box of miscellaneous crap, toilet paper.
I don't know, can you say crap?
Some water jugs, Annika's food, pity pads, her stroller, grocery bags, and then our laundry bags. And below that, our tripods. Not a lot going on back here. And then right here is just our food bins. That's hers. Mine's the ugly Amazon box. Our bags. And then this is the car bed. And then we've got
Produce bags.
yes.
And jars.
For
Hers
bulk
of which
foods.
mostly have stuff. I lost mine.
Up here's 2 jackets of mine, fans to avoid the heat death of the universe, and then a hygiene bag over there.
Off Florida.
These right here are just to keep bugs out at night, but they're sunshades. Kind of redneck looking.
Oh, you leave my car alone.
And
Got
then,
the best travel buddy ever.
yeah.
Best travel buddy ever. Yeah.
Now we're back at the front. We've just got a jug of water down there. In here, some soap, baking soda, and our utensils.
Which need to be washed, so that's why they're there.
I had a spork, but...
Look. Okay, I don't have an explanation for that one.